Comfortable stay and easy mobilization. The room is small but clean and cozy. Toilet design is rather old-fashioned but functional. Remember to use the mat or slipper to avoid slippery flooring in toilet. Internet connection is superb. Easy mobility using Beijing Rail Transit. Embark from Changchun Station within walking distance from the hotel. Many local restaurants and shops nearby hotel. Group of 3. Convenience at your fingertips. Beijing Xin Hua Yuan Hotel's exceptional facilities at Beijing Xin Hua Yuan Hotel. Convenience is a top priority. With a wide range of amenities and services, this hotel ensures that guests have everything they need for a comfortable and hassle-free stay. The hotel offers a laundry service, allowing guests to keep their clothes fresh and clean throughout their visit. For those who prefer to dine in the comfort of their room service is available, offering a delicious selection of meals and snacks. Guests can also rest easy knowing that their valuables are secure, thanks to the safety deposit boxes provided by the hotel. Stay connected with friends and family or catch up on work with the complimentary Wi-Fi available in both public areas and all rooms. The hotel also offers express check-in/checkout services, making the arrival and departure process smooth and efficient. Travelers can leave their luggage worries behind with the luggage storage service, allowing them to explore the city without any extra weight. For any last-minute needs or cravings, the convenience store on-site offers a variety of essentials and snacks. Additionally, the hotel provides daily housekeeping to ensure that guests' rooms are always clean and tidy. With these exceptional convenience facilities, Beijing Xin Hua Yuan Hotel goes above and beyond to ensure a seamless and enjoyable stay for all guests. Convenient transport facilities at Beijing Xin Hua Yuan Hotel. At Beijing Xin Hua Yuan Hotel, we understand the importance of seamless travel experiences for our guests. That's why we offer a range of convenient transport facilities to ensure your stay in Beijing is stress-free and enjoyable. For those arriving by air, our hotel provides airport transfer services, allowing you to start your trip with ease. Our friendly and professional staff will be waiting to greet you at the airport and assist with your luggage, ensuring a smooth transition from the terminal to our hotel. If you're looking to explore the city and its attractions, our hotel offers tours to popular landmarks and cultural sites. Whether you want to visit the iconic Great Wall of China or immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of the Forbidden City, our knowledgeable guides will ensure you have an unforgettable experience.